Infantix! Singing, dancing, and learning!
Hello, friends! Today we will learn the colors. Let's start with the color blue. This is a lot of fun. Very good! That's the color blue. And now, let's paint with pink. How cute! This is the color pink. And now let's paint with green. This is the color green. Let's paint with orange. This is looking very colorful. This is the color orange. Finally, let's use the color brown. And this is the color brown. I hope you liked it, my friends. Kisses, kisses! See you later!
Infantix! Singing, dancing, and